Hello YouTube, welcome back to my world. Stacking Perpetrator here, just showing how I make my living. This is part 2 of tearing out the tub. It was a one-piece surround. I showed you how it was all cracked on the bottom. And the reason it was cracked, if you look closely, there's the next tub. There's absolutely no support whatsoever under that tub. None. That whole tub rests on 4 of those legs. Like I have my light on. And then right there, that's the back too. Oh, I'm sorry, that tub only has 2 legs. Alright, so it's resting on the front, where the front of your tub would be, right here. And then it's resting on those 2 legs with absolutely no support under it. None. The other fact, the reason that this one cracked, and keep in mind these weren't done too long ago. This building was a rehab, and that's why this has these one-piece tubs. But you can see how the floor, I mean, this is the way it was when I pulled the bottom piece out, and it's all cracked. So not only did it have no support, but where the back leg should have been, there was nothing. The only thing in the back holding it up was the one over there. And of course, then I talk about how other contractors mess up. Look how your insulation people run it down. I actually tucked that back a little bit. That insulation was laying out. I got to cut it off because it's all water. And then they had this other insulation I tucked up as it was coming down, covering all that. But yeah, this is going to be a 2-day job because I'm going to have to, well, I got to cut the drain down a little bit because I use floor tubs that are flush to the floor. They rest actually on the floor. So I'm going to have to cut that drain down a little bit. I was already planning on that, but seeing as how much area out here is just all roughed out, my tub's not going to sit flat, so I'm going to have to get my drain situated, box that off a little bit, and then I'm going to have to pour some concrete in here and let it sit overnight and come back tomorrow and start setting the tub. But welcome to my world. I'll give it you on part 3 when I got it all back together.